Welcome back to Amazotech. If you love a clean, well-organized kitchen, you're in the right place. Today, we're revealing 20 of the best-selling kitchen organization products on Amazon, the exact items shoppers have been going crazy for this month. From stackable storage bins to sleek spice racks and space-saving gadgets, these finds will help you declutter, maximize space, and give your kitchen that modern, Pinterest-worthy look. Before we jump in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more affordable home and tech-inspired organization ideas every week. Ready to get inspired? Let's dive in. Tired of stretching, straining, or grabbing a chair just to reach the top shelf? The house again. Two-tier pull-out and down cabinet. Organizer is here to change that game. This genius rack uses patented pull-out and drop-down technology, letting you bring your spices, bottles, or pantry items down to eye level with a smooth glide. It's built from premium carbon steel and powered by strong tension springs to keep everything steady. No shaking, no spills, just effortless access. Whether you stick it up with the adhesive film or screw it in for extra strength, this organizer fits most kitchen cabinets and can hold up to 11 pounds. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or pantries. Even grandma can use it easily. Keep your kitchen smart, safe, and organized. Check it out now via the link below. Say goodbye to fridge chaos and hello to clean, clear organization. These stackable refrigerator organizer bins are your ultimate storage hack. Sleek, transparent, and designed to make every inch of your fridge count. With their smart, stackable design and sturdy lifting feet, you can layer, slide, or align them to fit your space perfectly. No more hunting for that one yogurt cup buried in the back. Each bin comes with easy grip handles, making it simple to pull out and grab what you need. Ideal for busy homes. And guess what? You also get 20 airtight plastic bags for keeping your fruits, snacks, or leftovers fresh longer. Made from BPA-free, shatter-resistant plastic, these bins are safe, durable, and stylish. Tired of messy drawers and missing spoons? Meet the LifeWit Silverware Drawer Organizer, the sleek, expandable tray that brings instant order to your kitchen. This smart organizer stretches from 8.5 to 14.1 inches, fitting perfectly in almost any drawer. With 7 neatly divided compartments, it's built to keep your forks, knives, and spoons perfectly sorted. No more rattling chaos every time you open the drawer. Made from BPA-free, high-quality plastic, it's durable, safe, and super easy to clean. The smooth groove and buckle design means you can adjust it effortlessly without the dividers shifting around. But here's the best part. It's not just for your kitchen. Use it for makeup, stationery, or any small items you want perfectly organized. Messy cabinets and stacked boards falling everywhere? Not anymore. Meet the Ficoxol Cutting Board Organizer, a sleek, space-saving rack that keeps your kitchen looking clean and pro. Each holder comes with 5 wide slots, perfectly sized for your cutting boards, cookie sheets, or baking trays. No wobbling, no clutter, just smart, vertical organization. Made from high-quality iron wire with a smooth black finish, it's sturdy, rust-resistant, and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The rounded edges prevent scratches, and the open design helps your boards dry faster, keeping things hygienic and bacteria-free. No tools, no installation. Just place it on your countertop or inside your cabinet, and you're good to go. Tired of that messy space under your sink? Meet the Tumbler 2-tier under-sink organizer, the ultimate storage upgrade your kitchen or bathroom's been waiting for. Built from thick, heavy-duty steel, this rack slides out smoothly even when fully loaded, thanks to its double pull-out drawers and smart over-pull stopper that keeps everything steady. The adjustable height design lets you fit tall spray bottles, cleaning supplies, or toiletries with ease. Its L-shaped frame is genius, leaving space for pipes and garbage disposals while maximizing every inch of vertical space. Plus, installation's a breeze. No tools needed. Just set it up, stick it down with the reinforced adhesive patches, and you're done. Say goodbye to bulky dish racks taking over your counter. This roll-up dish drying rack is the sleek, space-saving solution every modern kitchen needs. Measuring 17.8 by 11.8 inches, it fits perfectly over your sink, giving you a clean spot to dry your dishes, cups, or freshly washed fruits and veggies. Built with 19 stainless steel rods wrapped in food-grade silicone, it's sturdy, rust-resistant, and safe for everyday use. Bonus, it doubles as a heat-resistant mat, protecting your counter from hot pans up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're done, simply roll it up and tuck it away. No clutter, no mess. You can even trim it to fit your sink perfectly. Want your pantry to look clean, modern, and organized like those aesthetic kitchen setups? The ComSaf airtight glass storage canister set gives your shelves that pro look and keeps your food fresh longer. Each jar is made of crystal clear glass with a wood lid and silicone seal, locking in freshness and blocking out moisture. Perfect for storing everything from cereal, snacks and nuts to coffee, sugar, and pasta. Their square design isn't just stylish, it saves space and stacks beautifully on any counter or shelf. And with the wide mouth opening, scooping or cleaning is effortless. Just remove the lid and toss the jars in the dishwasher when you're done. Running out of space in your kitchen? The Movable 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is the ultimate fix to small space chaos. This smart rack turns any door into a full storage system, perfect for spices, jars, snacks, or even toiletries. Just hang it up and boom, instant organization without drills, screws, or wall damage. Built from heavy-duty metal, it's strong enough to hold all your cans and bottles without bending or slipping. The shelves come in 3 different sizes, giving you flexibility for everything from seasoning jars to cleaning supplies. With a total height of 6.2 feet, it maximizes your vertical space while keeping everything within reach. No more digging deep into your cabinets just to find one pan. The Holden Storage heavy-duty pull-out cabinet organizer brings smooth, professional-grade convenience right to your kitchen. Built from premium heavy-gauge steel wire, it's tough enough to hold pots, pans, and all your cookware with zero wobble. The ultra-smooth sliding system lets the entire basket glide out effortlessly, giving you full access to every item without straining or spilling. It installs easily with just a few screws, and everything you need is in the box. Sized at 14 inches wide by 21 inches deep, it fits most cabinets perfectly and comes in a beautiful anti-rust chrome finish that's built to last. Plus, it's backed by a lifetime limited warranty, so you know it's the real deal. Upgrade your spice game with this sleek 24-piece glass spice jar set because your kitchen deserves to look as good as your food tastes. Each jar is made from clear, premium glass with airtight stainless steel lids that lock in freshness and flavor. No moisture, no clumping, just pure aroma every time. The set also includes a stainless steel funnel, shaker inserts, a cleaning brush, and 240 high-quality labels to keep every spice perfectly organized and easy to find. Compact and space-saving, these 4-ounce jars fit neatly into your spice rack, drawer, or cabinet, turning clutter into a clean, Instagram-worthy setup. Whether you're organizing your kitchen or labeling your DIY creations, this set has everything you need in one box. Bring some modern, cafe-style vibes straight to your kitchen with this wall-mounted mug holder set, the perfect blend of style and function. Each rack holds up to 8 mugs, giving you a clean, organized way to show off your favorite coffee cups while saving valuable counter and cabinet space. Made from premium, rust-proof metal, these holders are built tough, waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, keeping that sleek black finish looking brand new. The design lets your mugs dry quickly and stay odor-free, making your morning routine neater and faster. Installation is a breeze too. Mount it using adhesive backing or simple screws, both included. Perfect for your kitchen, dining room, or home coffee bar, this 2-pack turns any wall into a cozy, organized mug display. Meet the sleek, space-saving upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. The D-More 16-inch magnetic knife holder. This powerful knife magnet strip keeps your knives, utensils, and tools securely in place. No more cluttered drawers or messy countertops. Made with industrial-strength magnets, it holds even your heaviest chef knives safely and firmly. You'll love its modern black design, complete with 3 handy hooks for hanging extra tools or towels. And installation? Totally up to you. Use the strong adhesive tape for a drill-free setup, or mount it with screws for extra stability. Whether it's your kitchen, garage, or workshop, this knife rack adds both style and efficiency to your space. Say goodbye to countertop chaos with the J-Rex 3-tier movable corner shelf organizer. Your new best friend for turning clutter into calm. This clever rack can stand as a stylish corner shelf or stretch out flat across your counter, giving you up to 30% more storage space instantly. Whether you're setting up a spice rack, coffee station, or bathroom shelf, this organizer blends beauty and function in one rustic brown masterpiece. Built with sturdy aluminum legs and non-slip feet, it stays steady even when fully loaded. Plus, you get 4 stainless steel hooks for your kitchen tools, keeping everything handy and organized. It's easy to assemble, easy to clean, and easy on the eyes. The perfect touch for any modern home. Tired of stale cereal or messy breakfast counters? The OXO Good Grips 3-piece pop cereal dispenser set has your mornings covered. Each dispenser holds 3.4 quarts, perfect for cereal, granola, popcorn, or snacks. The airtight silicone seal locks in freshness, keeping your food crunchy for longer. With its pop-open lid, you can pour with just one hand. No more struggling in the morning rush. The containers are curved for an easy grip, even when full, and their space-efficient design fits perfectly on countertops or in cabinets. Plus, they're BPA-free, easy to clean, and built to last. Whether it's family breakfast time or snack prep for the week, these dispensers make it clean, simple, and stylish. Running out of storage space? The slim rolling cart is here to save the day. Sleek, tall, and perfect for those tight, narrow gaps. Standing over 5 feet tall with 6 spacious tiers, this metal wire cart easily slides between your washer and dryer, beside the fridge, or in the bathroom corner. The smooth rolling wheels and ergonomic handle make it easy to pull out or move around, while the lockable design keeps it steady on any surface. Made from durable, heavy-duty metal, this cart can handle everything, from detergents and cleaning supplies to kitchen ingredients or office essentials. And the best part? No tools needed for assembly. It's quick, sturdy, and stylish. Say goodbye to digging through cluttered cabinets. Meet the 3-pack Lazy Susan Organizer, your new spinning solution for effortless organization in every corner of your home. This set comes in 3 sizes: 9.25 inches, 10.6 inches, and 12 inches. Perfect for everything from spice jars and condiments to snacks, skincare, or fridge items. Each turntable spins 360 degrees smoothly and silently, so you can grab what you need with a quick spin. Even from deep shelves, the raised edges keep everything secure as it rotates, while the clear, BPA-free acrylic design lets you see everything at a glance. Easy to clean, durable, and stylish. It's organization made simple. Say goodbye to wasted food and hello to long-lasting freshness with the Food Saver custom-length vacuum sealer bags. These premium rolls are proudly made in the USA and designed to keep your food fresh for weeks, not days. Whether you're sealing leftovers, prepping meals, or doing sous vide cooking, these bags give you the perfect fit every time. Just cut the roll to your desired length and seal away. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, they're totally safe for raw or cooked foods, and you can pop them in the freezer, fridge, microwave, or even the dishwasher. Plus, they're fully compatible with all Food Saver vacuum sealing systems, making storage quick and effortless. Keep your food fresh, your freezer organized, and your budget happy with Food Saver's custom-length vacuum sealer bags, the ultimate solution for airtight storage that truly lasts. Transform cluttered cabinets into organized bliss with the Mara Fancy hanging kitchen baskets. These sleek, black wire baskets fit perfectly over cabinet doors. No drilling, no damage, no stress. Just peel, stick, and hang. Instantly create more storage in your kitchen, pantry, bathroom, or even your bedroom. Made from strong, durable metal, These baskets hold heavier items without bending, while the open grid design keeps everything visible and easy to grab. From spices and snacks to toiletries, tools, or craft supplies, you'll always know exactly where things are. Each set includes 2 baskets and 2 adhesive strips, turning unused wall or cabinet space into smart, stylish storage. Plus, they're easy to clean, drain well, and move wherever you need them. Keep your home neat, modern, and organized with the Mara Fancy hanging kitchen baskets, the perfect blend of convenience and design. Running out of counter space? The X-Cosrack Wall Mount Spice Rack Organizer is here to save your kitchen. This smart 5-tier rack keeps all your spices, bottles, and seasonings perfectly organized and within reach. No more digging through cluttered drawers or cabinets. Its height-adjustable shelves let you customize each tier to fit everything from tiny jars to big bottles and cans. And thanks to its dual-use design, you can mount it on the wall or split it into 2 smaller racks to fit inside cabinets. Flexible and space-smart. Built from thickened, durable steel, this rack doesn't just look sleek, it's made to last. With room for up to 64 spice jars, plus 5 handy hooks for utensils, it's the ultimate kitchen organizer. Simplify your cooking space and add a modern touch with the X-Cosrack 5-tier Spice Rack Organizer. Practical, stylish, and built to impress. If your cabinet is overflowing with random tumbler lids, this one's for you. Meet the ELYPRO Tumbler Lid Organizer, the sleek, space-saving game-changer for every Stanley and Yeti fan. No more rummaging through messy drawers. This organizer stacks up to 10 tumbler lids neatly and vertically, keeping them visible, stable, and easy to grab. Designed to fit Stanley, Yeti, Hydro Flask, and more, it turns chaos into clean, clutter-free order. Its slim, vertical design fits perfectly in cupboards, cabinets, or pantries, ideal for small kitchens or anyone tired of lid piles. Built from high-grade steel, it's durable, sturdy, and requires zero installation. Just unbox, place, and admire your organized setup. For tumbler lovers who care about style and order, the ELYPRO Lid Organizer isn't just practical. It's a total countertop upgrade. And there you have it. Some of the top-rated kitchen organization products that are changing the game for tidy, stress-free living. From stackable bins to space-saving racks, these smart finds make every corner of your kitchen work harder and look better. If you found a product you'd love to try, check out the links in the description to grab yours from Amazon. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment telling us your favorite item, and subscribe for more affordable, tech-inspired home upgrades every week. Stay organized, stay inspired,